Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakra's Zen Center, and today we're talking about crystals. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is blue goldstone. See those sparkles? And it doesn't show up that great in the camera, but this is a very dark blue, sparkly, glittery stone. And this is considered a man-made stone, but they melt down natural materials to form that glittering effect. The natural materials in the stone will create the frequency you need for the throat chakra. Now, the energy that this stone has is kind of specific. Unlike lapis lazuli, which is great for any throat chakra issue, blue goldstone is specifically good for increasing the strength. So if your chakra is too powerful, too passionate, you're maybe hurting people's feelings with your truth, then you want to stay away from blue goldstone. You want to use this one when you want to bring more passion to your words, when you want to inspire people with your words and really make more of an impact. And that's not the issue for everyone. So just be careful what stone you're using. If you want to look up blue goldstone in Enchanted Crystals, then you're going to turn to page 91. Now, there is information about orange goldstone in here as well, and blue goldstone. So it continues on to page 92. Now, they actually melt down some glass as well in blue goldstone and orange goldstone. So these guys are really, really interesting. I love using them, and I know a lot of people are against man-made stones, but to be honest with you, sometimes they're even more powerful than some natural stones that I've seen. So don't be afraid of the word man-made. If you have any questions about how to use blue goldstone, what are the best uses, how to use them, how to open up your inner truth, please leave your comments below and I'll be sure to answer them ASAP. Always remember to place the blue goldstone on your throat, place it in the center of your palm, or place it on your nightstand.